Hey everyone, Gus is here. Today I'm going to show you how to crack a password-protected zip file using John the Ripper. This is one of the most basic password cracking skills every pen tester needs in their toolkit. We'll do it in 3 comments. Let's jump in. First, let's set up a target. I'm going to create a simple text file and zip it with a password. The -e flag tells zip to encrypt. When it prompts me, I'll use the password dragon, a weak one on purpose so John can find it quickly in the word list. Now, I have locked.zip, an encrypted archive protected by a password we're going to pretend we don't know. Here's the key step. John doesn't crack the zip file directly. It cracks the password hash stored inside the zip's header. That's where zip to John comes in. It reads the archive and pulls the hash out into pkzip format, which John knows how to crack. I'll redirect the output to a file called hash.txt. Then we can open the file and check what John has to work with. Now, the main event. I'll point John at hash.txt and give it a word list to try. On Kali, the classic choice is rockyou.txt. It ships with the distribution and contains over 14 million real passwords from an old breach. John loads the hash, hashes each candidate from the word list, and compares. When there's a match, we're in. Watch the output. There it is. The password was dragon. Cracked almost instantly because it's a common word. To show the recovered password cleanly, I run john-show on the same hash file. There's our plain text. Let's prove it works. I'll unzip the file using the password John recovered. The file opens and the contents are right there. That's it. Password cracking with John the Ripper in 3 comments. Zip to John to extract the hash, John with a word list to crack it, and john-show to display the result. If you got value from this, hit like and subscribe. More pen testing walkthroughs coming. I'll catch you in the next one.